it crashed.
Oh, man.
They couldn't stop.
Everybody's okay.
It fell out of the sky, and Oscar sneezed in it, and he dropped it in his can.
It fell out of the sky, Oscar sneezed in it, and then Oscar threw it in his can.
Something I said.
How many fingers am I holding?
That's two. Two fingers.
Excuse Elmo, make way. Oscar, please bring back Elmo's blanket. Oscar, Elmo really needs his blanket back.
Oh, Elmo, it's okay.
Oscar, bring Elmo's blanket back. Elmo needs his blanket back now. Oscar, 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 Oscar,
Okay, Elmo, take it easy, take it easy. Calm down. It's okay. I don't think Oscar's home right now.
Not home, but Gina, Elmo needs his blanket back.
I guess you'll just have to wait for Oscar to get back.
Elmo doesn't want to talk to you, Zoe. Well, I didn't mean to.
Don't worry, Zoe. Elmo's just a little...
He came and you saw it. Everybody, hug it up. Oscar will probably be back in a second. In a second now.
Hey, everyone! Hey! What's going on? He probably went down to Oscar's can for his blanket, but instead of getting the blanket, and he's never...
Tally, easy, Tally. Oscar probably just meant that Elmo went home. That's all.
Yeah.
No,
Say what?
Yeah.
Grouchland, USA.
Where's that?
This is terrible. What are we gonna do? What are we going to do?
Here's what we're gonna do, Telly. We're gonna go down to Grouchland, whatever that is, and get Elmo back.
Well, all right.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Okay, here we go, Tally.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ride.
Wow. So this is Grouchland, huh?
Yeah, land of 1,000 stitches.
Yeah, and I think I can smell a number of them right now.
Hey, look who it is.
It's Oscar!
Hey, get out.
Who says you can't go home again?
Oscar, maybe you can get your friends to tell us where Elmo is.
Oh, yeah.
Here. Hey, I wonder where that old septic tank is.
Wait a minute, no, Oscar, we gotta find Elmo first. Yeah, Elmo.
Let's go this way.
Have you seen Elmo?
Oh, look. There's a police officer.
Yeah, let's ask him for help.
Against the law to ask for help in Grouchland. You have the right to scream your head off. Should you give up the right to scream your head off, someone who screams their head off will be provided for you.
Hello, please go get it.
Here you are. A, B, C.
Let me out of here! It's torture! It's close out, please!
Don't let it go around that I'm helping Elmo.
Huxley. First, this guy ruined my beautiful Grouchland. Oscar, were you gonna say friend?
You're right,
All right, so the little stinkball is my friend.
Stop right there, you mean old Huxley.
Yeah, come on, Elmo, are you okay?
You do. And don't they look sweet?
Yeah.
I got a plan.
Thank you, bud.
Let me give everything back. I can give back all the yo-yos and all the rollerblades. Everything. I'll give it all back.
No.
Bug, I'll give back every single teddy bear. I'll give back the sun and the moon and the earth and the stars. I'll give it all back. You're tired. You're not in your right frame of mind. This isn't when you make an important decision, Bug. Bug, listen to me.
Oh, blanket.
This is great. Ha!
Oh, thanks for helping everybody. Elmo sure is lucky to have friends like you.
We're really proud of you, Elmo.
Way to go, Elmo.
You're one brave little monster.
Oh, thanks, Big Bird. Let's hear it for Elmo!
Let's go back to Sesame Street.
Oh, my God! couldn't have done it without you. Elmo, love you. Bye-bye.
See, Bert, just like I told you, Elmo got his blanket back.
Yeah, it's a happy ending.
Yep, and thank you.